Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to customize game space plugins on your RedMagic 11 Air smartphone. First of all, let's open any game to enable the game space in it. And now let's open the game space by swiping it from either right side or the left side of the smartphone. Now, in this game space, we will have two columns of different plugins from both the right side and the left side. On the left side, we actually have two modes, two different kinds of plugins, and what we can do here is basically rearrange the order of these plugins so that we have quick access or quicker access to the ones that we use more oftenly. And to do that, we just have to swipe to the very bottom of one of these two columns and select custom. If you are on the right side, just tap on custom and then drag and drop a column that you want to replace. So just grab it like this and change its position. The more you put it to the left, the higher it will be in settings menu. Then tap OK to apply settings, and right now the RGB feature should be slightly higher on the settings list right here. And now for the left column, just swipe down to the very bottom of it, tap edit ranking, and then drag and drop these three lines next to the feature that you want to put higher for quicker access. Then tap OK to apply settings, and right now we can easily access this feature by just enabling the game center. And that's pretty much it. Besides, you can also add quick applications to your game center by tapping this drop down icon and then tapping the plus icon to add another application that you like to your quick apps access. And you can also rearrange them by dragging and dropping the applications into a different spot. Then tap OK to apply, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.